Brillin walked along a glowing beach at dusk, his tail swaying softly with the incoming tide. The waves rolled in with moonlit sparkles, casting a dreamy shimmer across the shore. Brillin skipped near the water as the tide hummed softly under the evening sky. Suddenly, the tide froze, and the glow faded as if the ocean held its breath. Seashells stopped humming, and the whole sea fell silent, leaving Brillin puzzled. A soft, watery voice whispered as a tiny sprite rose from the still wave. Maré, blue and translucent, hovered in slow spirals, leaving bubbles of light in her wake. Maré spoke softly that lunar shells had lost their glow, and the tides could not sing. Brillin promised to help, answering that the moon would guide them to restore the song. They entered the moonlit caves where crystals reflected light onto the water. Crystals shimmered as tide pool creatures peeked out from behind rocks. Droplets dripped in time as Brillin and Maré searched for the first lunar shell. Shell 1, silver light, swirled away sand to reveal a polished silver gleam. Shell 2, ocean voice, rested in a silent whirlpool until bubbles reawakened it. Maré sent bubbles that woke the whirlpool, letting the shell sing again. Shell 3, moon glow, lay hidden under soft algae awaiting Brillin's nudge. Brillin nudged the algae aside and the shell shed a bright white light. With each restored shell, warm notes of light floated into the air. Maré brightened progressively as more glow returned to the sea. The shells formed a spiral above the water, restoring movement to the waves. Moonlight returned and danced across the ocean as the sea sang once more. Sea life gathered on the shore to celebrate the ocean's renewed song. Maré crowned Brillin with a tiny wave crest crown in a playful gesture. Brillin laughed as the shore filled with musical waves and shimmering trails. The camera pulled back to show the moonlit ocean glowing with life and light. Maré embraced Brillin in a bubble heart before drifting back to the waves. Brillin stood watching the luminous sea as the camera slowly rose into the night sky. The ocean's glow lingered, a reminder of bravery, kindness, and moonlit music. Ending with a final breath of sea breeze, Brillin whispered thanks to the moon. The night faded to a peaceful glow as the tide sang softly in the distance.